And what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ray. We back. Let there be light. Another day, another blessing. We out here looking clean, looking like a blue Jolly Rancher out here with the red guts. Yes, sir. But as y'all can see from the title of today's video, we're gonna be putting a carbon spoiler on the M235i today. Thing is actually gonna look really clean because the stock spoiler is like so subtle. Obviously it's white as well, so get a quick little cold start. Good. Rev it. Put it in park. Jeez. Yes, sir.
Look.
PSM style. Sheesh. That'll look clean, huh?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Alright, y'all. Got the spoiler on. Looking clean. Here. Nice carbon. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Definitely much needed for the F22. This was actually from, she got it from German Car Accessories. They're local here in Arizona. Honestly, thing looks really clean. Easy to install, obviously. We're on the way to park up somewhere to get some content real quick. She's right behind me if y'all can see. Honestly, I don't know exactly where, so I'm gonna just cruise around and like try to find a spot. But as y'all can see, man, I put the digital cluster back on. You know, after like putting on this ambient lighting, seeing how well it goes with the starlights. I'm like, bro, what am I doing? Like, I have the digital cluster just sitting in the garage. So literally takes like 5 minutes to install. So I just put it back on, y'all. I literally still have the other one right here on the ground still because I haven't drove it, but man, I love this digital cluster. Look, let me give y'all another look. For those who haven't seen it yet in action, I think it's so clean. This thing looks so good, man. If you got the ambient lighting, the starlights, like at nighttime, this car is a vibe to drive. Man, we're driving right now. This thing looks so clean with the spoiler on. Like, look at that. You can already see it from here. Really aggressive, but still somewhat subtle. Really clean though, y'all. I love it. Definitely transformed the rear end. Looks a lot better now. What do y'all think? Let me know down below in the comments. 1 through 10. I would say it's a definitely, the rear end is a good like 7 out of 10 now. I would say it needs the GTS taillights. Man, this thing will be mint. Sheesh, it'll definitely get a lot more aggressive with the GTS taillights. But the spoiler just looks so good. Sheesh. E92 and the F22 are out here looking clean. Sick that this thing finally got its first mod. I think it's like the perfect first mod. Not too sure what will be next. I want to say possibly the GTS taillights, but we might even do something like a little resonator delete, something like that. Intake, downpipe, I'm not sure yet, to be honest. Man, looking really good though. These models are so nice, and I feel like, believe it or not, I feel like they are slept on, kind of underrated in a way. Sheesh. You can see the whole vision for the car just looking at it right now. Today is Saturday, June 13th. After talking with Daddy Turbos, the one who's doing the T51R mod to the Pure Turbo, he said it should be getting delivered this week, like literally this week. So we'll see what happens. I already talked to the shop as well, and let them know, you know, that it's coming in. They said just hit them up whenever I get it so we can schedule a date. I'm gonna try to perfectly time and align, you know, like the schedule, so I can try to get the turbo installed immediately after receiving it, because man, I'm not trying to wait no more. I know some of y'all are really hyped about it as well. I'm definitely really looking forward to it, because I know this thing is going to sound insane with the T51 R mod especially. Obviously it's going to pull a little harder, which I'm going to love, but man, it's all about the sound. Obviously I love the power as well, but at the end of the day, y'all, there's always going to be somebody faster. So, you know, try not to take it too serious. It's all about having fun mainly, and I definitely do have fun with this car, and I know once I get that pure turbo, it's gonna multiply. No doubt about it. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. Like, after seeing this color and everything, I do want to put my dream wheels on here. I'm not sure when, maybe like sometime next year. I want to get some TE37s. All right, y'all, this will be the end of today's video. As always, I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Ray, and I'm out.